When your Dyson vacuum displays an airway blocked error, but you can't see any visible obstructions, you're experiencing one of the most common and frustrating issues with modern Dyson vacuums. Modern Dyson models, especially the V15, V12, and Gen 5 Detect series, use highly sensitive pressure sensors to monitor airflow throughout the vacuum system. These sensors work by measuring pressure differences between the air inlet and motor chamber. When the pressure drop exceeds factory set limits, the system triggers the blocked airway warning to protect the motor from damage. The most common cause of false blockage warnings is microscopic filter clogging. A filter may appear perfectly clean to the naked eye, but can be severely restricted at the microscopic level. When sensors detect excessive pressure drop, the vacuum safety system automatically reduces suction or shuts down completely to prevent motor damage. This is a protective feature, not a malfunction. The first troubleshooting step is simple. Power cycle your vacuum. Turn it off completely, wait 60 seconds, then restart. This allows the sensors to recalibrate and often resolves temporary sensor issues. Next, remove and inspect both the premotor and postmotor HEPA filters under bright light. Even if they appear clean, microscopic particles can severely restrict airflow and trigger the blocked airway error. When visual inspection reveals no blockages, the next step is proper filter maintenance. Dyson filters require regular cleaning to maintain optimal airflow and prevent false blockage warnings. The key maintenance schedule is washing filters every 4 to 6 weeks for average household use. This prevents microscopic debris buildup that sensors detect but eyes cannot see. HEPA filters remain effective for 12 to 18 months with proper maintenance. However, the most critical step is ensuring filters are completely dry before reinstalling them. If filter maintenance doesn't resolve the issue, your Dyson vacuum may require sensor recalibration. Modern Dyson sensors are highly sensitive, but can drift over time. Some Dyson models have a service menu that allows sensor reset. Access this through specific button combinations, typically holding the power button while pressing the trigger multiple times. For vacuums out of warranty, or if you're uncomfortable with these steps, contact an authorized Dyson service center for professional recalibration. This ensures proper sensor function and accuracy. Understanding sensor degradation is important for long-term maintenance. Sensor accuracy degrades by approximately 8% per year without recalibration, but proper maintenance resolves 85% of false blockage issues. Regular filter maintenance and timely sensor recalibration are the most effective solutions for resolving false blockage warnings in Dyson vacuums. Following these steps will restore proper function in most cases.